Start recording. Stop recording. Button.
Hi guys, it's been a couple of weeks, been really busy doing my pieces for a local gallery here in the Derbyshire Peak District that exhibits my work. So the gallery owner, Matthew, commissioned a fountain pen for his elder sister, whose birthday it is, and he said he wanted a light coloured wood, nothing too heavy. So we found this piece of Amarello, a Brazilian exotic, and Nicola said that it would look a bit insipid with a dark, bright work on the pen. So she said the chrome would work really nice. So here's a Taylor's Murfield Omega fountain pen in Amarello, a Brazilian hardwood. It feels lovely. It was great to turn. Aromatic, and again one of those sort of soapy smells, and I do like that when a wood smells sort of soapy. But there it is, lovely pen. Let's just feel that gently. Usual Taylor's Murfield build quality went together like a good one. So yeah, if you haven't tried pen turning before and you are interested in doing it, give it a go. They make absolutely stellar gifts for people, and they're a lot of fun. So yeah, give it a go. Anyway, thanks everyone, hope you're all okay. Bye.
Stop recording. Stop recording. Button.